Now, for similar shapes, we can also use what is the ratio of the areas, right? We can also establish the ratio of the areas. If we know the ratio of the lengths of the two shapes, then we can also establish the ratio of the areas. Now, here's a general formula for you. If the ratio of lengths is x is to y, then the ratio of areas is x squared is to y squared, right? So x is to y, then x squared is to y squared. So you simply square the ratio of lengths for you to get the ratio of areas. So here's an example here. We have two shapes here, shape X and shape Y, right? The length of this side on shape X is 2 centimeters. The length of the corresponding side on shape Y is 5 centimeters. Find the area of Y, right? If the two shapes are similar. So if the two shapes are similar, I need to find the area of y. The first thing I need to do is to establish the ratio of areas, right? So I have my x and I have my y. My ratio of lengths was 2 is to 5. 2 is to 5 is my ratio of lengths. So that's 2 is to 5, right? This is lengths. To get the ratio of areas, what do? I square both. 2 squared is to 5 squared, right? 2 squared is 4, 5 squared is 25. So this is my ratio of areas. Now, the first area, the area for x is 20 centimeters squared. But we don't know the area for y, right? But we do know that 4 over 25, which is the first ratio, is equal to this second ratio, 20 over y, right? 20 over y. So 4 over 25 is the first ratio, right? And then it's equal to 20 over y. Once we get here, we can simply solve this now. Multiply both sides by 25y to remove the both denominators. So 25 and 25y, 25 cancels 25, you have y, you get 4y. Is equal to y cancels y, you get 25 times 20, you get your 500, right? So you get 4y is equal to 500. So we take that up there. Then 4y is equal to 500. You divide both sides by 4, you will get your y is equal to 125. So that's your area for your bigger shape, 125 centimeters squared, right? So that's what we did. We simply used the ratio of lengths. We squared it to get the ratio of areas. Then we said the ratio between that, between those areas is equal to 20 is to y. We solved that, and then we were able to find our area of the bigger shape.